Are you looking for your next adventure? Then look no further than North Wales, a land of ancient castles, dramatic coastlines and endless stories. Today, in association with Visit Wales, we'd love to share some of our favourite places in the land we're lucky enough to call home. We're Rachel and Wills, known on YouTube as Postcard and a Pint, and we can't wait to show you around and tell you why you should visit North Wales. From traditional seaside towns and paddling in crystal clear seas, to losing yourself amongst towering peaks and ancient castles, North Wales is full of moments you'll never forget. For the full journey, click the link in the description and join us over on our channel, and you'll find that North Wales is a land full of stories, scenery and experiences that will leave you wanting to return time and time again. Visit North Wales. You won't be disappointed.